Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Being Skilled. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add lists to your web page. Lists can be a good way to present information on your web page, so let's take a look how to add them. There are two types of lists available to you in HTML. First one is unordered list and second one is ordered list. In unordered list, you don't have numbering, you just see bullet marks, whereas in ordered list you get to see numbers, like the first item is assigned 1, the next item assigned 2. So let's first take a look at the unordered lists, how to add them. So to add them, you use the UL tag, later autocomplete, and for every different item that you want, we will use the li element. Li, yeah. So let's give it a heading of electronic items to buy. So each different item is contained in a different list item element. Let's write laptop, and then similarly washing machine and a mobile phone. Let's close it and save it and refresh. So here you can see we have a list generated here. We have these marks, I think these square marks. Okay, these are actually bullet points. So laptop, washing machine, mobile phone. So this is an unordered list. It has been added to your web page. So that is an unordered list. To make it an ordered list, you just simply need to replace the U by an O. And similarly here, you do this and it gets converted into an ordered list. So that was how you add unordered lists and ordered lists to your web page. Also, there are different types of unordered list and ordered lists available. Let's take a look at few of them. So if you specify the type attribute of UL and you go and you specify square, and if you refresh the page, instead of those bullet marks, those round bullet marks that you saw earlier, now you have square marks here. So these are different styles of lists, like these are different types of unordered lists. There are many more like them. You can see reference online and get to know the different types of unordered list. Similarly, you have different styles available for ordered list also. So if you do here type is equal to A and refresh it, now you see instead of 1 2 3, the sequence is being done with the help of alphabets A B C. Also, another feature is available to you. In ordered lists, you can specify the starting value. So like A is the very first alphabet, but you can specify that you want the counting to start from 2. So what you can do is you can specify the start attribute and specify the position you wanted the ordered list to start from. So if you give a 2 here and if you save it and refresh your page, the sequencing now starts from the second alphabet B C D instead of A B C. So if you need to do something like that, you can specify the start attribute of the ordered list. If it was numerical, it would have been 2 3 4. So you get the idea. So in this tutorial we learned about unordered lists and ordered lists, how you can change their type also. You can change square marks, bullet marks, or you can have alphabetical ordered list or numerical ordered list, and you can also change the starting position of ordered lists. So that was it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Keep learning. Bye for now.